Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bike here. This is a VRX400 Honda Roadster, only made for Japan. I actually bought this bike for my dad, who at the time was about 70 years old and wanted a lightweight, very low bike. The VRX400 definitely suits that category. Let's stick this thing here back on. Just polished it, so I pulled all that off. But you can see here, cracking looking bike. Got the rev counter, the speedo. Lovely little headlight brackets as well. Basically, this is the sort of thing that people are now trying to turn normal bikes into. Okay, you can see here original Honda mirrors, all original switch gear. Pretty cool. The only addition I've really made is the rack. Changed the bars for some lower, flatter bars that he wanted, but basically it is exactly the same bike. I have got the original bars if you want the slightly taller bars. Very easy to swap. All the tanks have been fuel proofed for ethanol. It's got new carburetor, new carb rebuilds. Everything's good, chain's good, genuine, and this is no bull. Basically under 11,000 Ks, which is about what, 7.5, maximum 8,000 if that. In fact, yeah, about 6,000, 7,000 miles. Number plates broken because it's been in the house for that long. That will be replaced obviously with a fully legal plate. But as you can see, cracking looking bike, very, very cool. Flat trackers are the in thing at the moment. This bike, you don't even have to do anything. Good investment. There's only 3 I know of in Britain apparently. But very, very stock, original bike. Got the alley rims, you know, beautiful light, big brake, floater, cracking thing. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site if it ever gets done, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.